How's it going, guys? I'm working on this Toyota Sienna here, changing the dreaded driver's side or passenger side CV. It's a bit of a pain in the butt. You can see back there or not. It has a carrier bearing that's attached through a motor mount, and it always seizes in the motor mount. And I know guys cut off the axles and pound them out that way, but I managed to get off the motor mount. As you can see, that's where your bearing goes. This is the drive shaft, and that's your bearing right there that seizes in. And let me tell you, I've been at this for 3 hours. Getting these bolts out was near impossible. Thank God this one here was missing, because if it was in there, you could never get it out with the CV next to it. So somebody had changed this before. But even getting at these, the bottom one was easy, this one here. But this one and this one are up past the drive shaft, and there's no room to get your hands in. And I haven't got any long 14 mils, so I had to work at it, but I got it. Plus, I had to take off the mount that holds this end on and wiggle it around to be able to slide it all out as one setup. So I'm halfway through the job. I'll do another follow-up video when I get it all back together. I am friggin' beat right now. Have a good one, guys.